Dear learners, in this lecture I will be explaining electronic communication system. So what is communication? It is nothing but an exchange of ideas, information, feelings between two or more individuals or persons. Now what is electronic communication? Consider the case where two boys are talking with each other and the distance between them is 10 meters or less than 10 meters. At this shorter distance, they can communicate easily with each other. Second case, where the distance is 200 meters or beyond that. Even if they are talking, they will not be able to listen to each other. But using electronic devices such as telephone or mobile, they can communicate easily with each other, even if the distance is very large. So, definition of electronic communication system is that it is the transmission, reception and processing of information between two or more locations with the use of electronic circuits. So here the role of electronic circuits is very important. Examples are radio broadcasting, television broadcasting, radio telegraphy, mobile communication and computer communication. So we will see elements of electronic communication system. The basic components are transmitter, communication channel, receiver and noise. Let's see block diagram of electronic communication system. The first block is message source, which may be sound, image or data. Next block will be input transducer, as we need to convert the sound, image and data to electrical form. That's why input transducers are used. Next block is transmitter. The main functions of transmitters are modulation and amplification of the signal. Next block is channel. The channel is the communication link between transmitter and receiver. Next is noise. Noise is an important factor in case of communication system. It is unwanted signal that adds in the channel. Next, receiver. The function of a receiver is exactly opposite to that of transmitter, that is demodulation and again amplification. The output of a receiver is electrical signal. We need to convert it to physical form, that is again sound, image and data using output transducer. Next final block is destination. Now we will see each block in detail one by one. First block is message source. As I told you, the message may be sound, image or data. Next block, input transducer. We need to convert sound, image, data to electrical form, as sound, image and data cannot be traveled through the electrical wire as it is. So we need to convert it to electrical signal. In communication system, the most commonly used input transducer is microphone. So in microphone, the sound waves are converted to electrical signal. Next block is transmitter. The functions of a transmitter are modulation and amplification of the signal. The modulation process will be explained in the next video lecture. Next block, channel. It is the communication link between transmitter and receiver. It may be wired or wireless channel. In wired channels, the examples are coaxial cable, optical fiber cable. In wireless communication, the examples are microwave, radar, etc. Next block is noise. It is an unwanted signal that interferes the signal traveling through the channel. Next is receiver. the function of a receiver is exactly opposite to that of transmitter, that is demodulation. Again it will amplify the signal. The output of the receiver is electrical signal. We need to convert this electric signal back to message in the physical form, that is sound, image or data using output transducer. In communication system, we use loudspeaker as a output transducer where electric current is converted to sound waves. Next, destination. This is the last block of any communication system. Generally, humans at some place are considered as the destination. Thank you.